Hey guys, we're going out today. We're going on a date, but where are we going? I'm here with
The one and only Dwight Ramos.
we're going out, but first, I'm gonna give him something. Or do you want to go first?
Alright, I'll go first.
Okay. Wow! Look at that, guys. Look at that.
And I have another thing for you. Got you.
This, bro. Look. Because I prefer sandals than shoes. So
You
this
have a
one
gift
first.
for me?
Oh, happy birthday yung paper bag. Kahit di niya birthday. And then, wait. I cannot reach.
What's this? This is my favorite, like, of all time. And then, is this stick off?
No. There's another one, but I can't reach it. You get it.
Jewelry?
Jewelry, guys. The letter there.
Really? You.
We're gonna leave, guys, because baka traffic. So we gotta go. We'll update you later. Bye. We're getting gas first because it's probably traffic, right?
Yeah.
It's so traffic, guys. It's already 7:24. Hi guys, kaka-park lang namin. We paid 150 for parking. Is that right? Comment down below if that's too much. But it's a street parking now. Just waiting for our drinks. Si so bagal forever. We're walking now.
So yung kiss.
So many people. Tagal neto. Pinipicturean niya every angle kasi first time niya sa Philippines. The heck? It's raining so hard. So James decided to buy waffles. No, right? Try. Worth it ba? To wait 15 minutes for that?
Not really.
Sumakit yung ulo ko dun, guys. I don't know. We're here upstairs now. We're gonna check the other side. Yung sa baba, nagka-migraine ako, grabe.
Sobrang init.
Sobrang dufok. Here, it's better. Less people.
They really don't. There's an upstairs here.
Bro, I think they live here. Oh, I wanna try that.
Which one?
You know, I need this one. This one.
Panipuri?
Yeah.
इसको पानी पूरी से
Panipuri?
बिरयानी की
Magkano panipuri?
वालो संदान
Walo, 100.
या
Try natin.
Pwede ba
chicken
kalahati
biryani,
yun?
sir.
Walang kalahati yun.
कलाहाते
Four? Like half?
4 pieces?
4 pieces?
60
60 pesos.
Okay. How do you eat this? You put sauce?
Put the sauce here inside.
Okay.
Okay.
Just
Ako,
a few
try ko
drops.
muna.
A few
Like
drops.
this.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like a vinegar type.
Okay. Food vlogger?
Yeah. Good.
We have water. Sorry. I thought you were asking for water.
I don't know. You may...
Good.
Magkano yan? 10?
Yan. Meron.
Sobrang init, guys. I swear. Like, I know I'm wearing jacket, but it's so hot. What's that?
Lion's Den.
Bruh.
Good.
Isang shawarma rice.
Bibigas po kayo.
I got lemon Yakult and it was so hard to drink kanina kasi merong fly, bro. May fly sa loob.
Sarap.
Lasang lamok.
The point of entry, which is basically or also known as
No, check it out.
We're actually at the end of it all. Grabe. So long. Yung kasama ko, nag-field trip siya, guys. Siyang sariling mundo. Kuya, peging barya. Kuya, peging barya. Titignan niya pa talaga yan hanggang dulo. Di pa yung pagod, nakakalok.
Ay, ay.
Guys, pabalik na kami. I'm so freaking tired, I swear. My back hurts. My back is killing me. Sakay ka dyan, bibigyan ka ng 1K.
Sa'yo na yung
KJ. KJ ng kasama ko, guys. Kaya sumakay sa trampoline.
Sakay ka dun.
Tapos,
Sakay ka lang. Kami ka palit.
pwede ito pala sa Manila.
Ang enet.
Sir, only rice.
Ma'am, only rice.
Gago. Guys, na-deflate na siya.
Hindi siya deflate.
We're gonna walk back to the car. It's a long walk pa. We will see you later. Bye! Sabi sa inyo, nag-field trip. Guys, we're back inside the car. So tired, grabe. Parang first time ko umupo sa buong buhay ko. It's so hot, so pawis. What are your thoughts sa pinuntahan natin?
It's nice. Super dumi.
Not really.
Not really. I mean the first yung facade, yung
Bye guys!
Hi guys.